October has arrived and almost gone, bearing gifts for cryptocurrency investors, with Bitcoin reaching a new all-time high of $67,500 and Ethereum not far behind with new highs of its own. Investors are bracing for an alt rally, one that could have a massive upside for the entire market. Thanks for watching Crypto Lion. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
With the tumultuous period from mid-August to late September now over, cryptos could resume their bull cycle that began in early 2021. Dogecoin, on the other hand, may have a slightly different story. In contrast to the majority of its peers in the top 10, the altcoin is desperate for a revival after losing value continuously since August. Furthermore, the charts appear to suggest that before any talk of a rally, Doge must negate a major bearish setup. Doge was trading at 24.6 cents at the time of writing, down 1.76% in the previous 24 hours. It's made three lower highs since mid-August at 35.2 cents, 31.9 cents, and 27.2 cents. On the daily time frame, these lower peaks, combined with a baseline of 19.4 cents, formed a descending triangle. If Doge falls below the baseline, a massive sell-off could occur based on the pattern's highest and lowest points. Over here, it's worth noting that Doge bulls have been taking some precautions. An early pushback at 22.5 cents aided in avoiding another attack on the baseline. This allowed for a bullish crossover between the 20 and 50 simple moving average lines on a daily basis. If buyers respond to such cues, Doge may test the confluence of its 200 SMA and 27.3 cents resistance. A breakout supported by high volumes would send Doge on a much-needed upward trend. The descending triangle will also be negated. The recovery of the relative strength index above the half line now lends credence to a favorable outcome. Before reversing from overbought levels, the index had more room to grow. Similarly, a bullish crossover along the directional movement index, combined with a positive awesome oscillator readings, presented no immediate threats within Doge's bearish setup. However, a low ADX reading suggested that Doge might not be ready for an upward breakout just yet. Because of the lack of volatility, Doge may oscillate between its upper trend line and 22.5 cents before challenging some key price levels. Doge may trade sideways in the near term as bulls amass larger numbers in preparation for an upward breakout. If Doge falls at the 27.3 cents area, expect another retest of the 19.4 cents and a major drop. Dogecoin's developers collaborated with Digibyte developers to introduce the DigiShield protocol shortly after the launch of Dogecoin to prevent Dogecoin from becoming a massive mining pool in any node. Dogecoin didn't have an ICO or a pre-mine. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin's purpose and architecture have remained simple since its inception. The market cap and volume of each cryptocurrency are highly correlated with their prices. This is due to the fact that a cryptocurrency's market cap and volume more or less represents a coin's long-term popularity. Tokens with a high market cap are typically regarded as safe assets for cryptocurrencies. Although Doge was created as a joke, the price increases in the coin were not noticeable at the time. For example, Dogecoin surges after Tesla founder Elon Musk tweets about the coin. According to CoinMarketCap, the token had gained more than 30% at the time. This unexpected surge propelled Dogecoin to the 10th position in the cryptocurrency market. The same thing happened when cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase debuted in the market recently. Many coins' prices skyrocketed as a result of their actions. Despite the fact that Doge is not listed on Coinbase, many users reported that they were unable to purchase the coins from other exchanges because the apps crashed due to the sudden surge of price. Dogecoin is expected to rise by half a cent over the next month or so. It's now accepted as a payment for merchandise and services by retailers such as eGifter, allgamer.net, and hundreds of other online stores. Using probability and regression analysis, many have predicted that prices will rise to $1 by May of 2022. The $1 mark appears to have the potential for growth, but it appears difficult to reach that level. Doge, according to Wallet Investor, is a good long-term investment. According to their Dogecoin forecast, a price increase is on the way. Dogecoin's possible price in 2021 is 35.2 cents with a maximum price of 39.7 expected in 2022. Dogecoin will gradually rise in value over the next few years, but it'll take some time to reciprocate. It'll be traded at an average price of 44.5 cents in 2023, representing a small increase over 2022. The maximum price for 2024 is 49.6 cents with a minimum price of 46.7 cents and a maximum price of 49.2 cents. Dogecoin is expected to reach a maximum value of 54.7 cents by December 2025. The average trading price will be 49.7 cents. Dogecoin's long-term forecast indicates that the price will reach long-term price stability, providing a profitable investment opportunity. This means that the price of Dogecoin in 2025 is expected to be around 64.4 cents. The projected low price in 2025 is 52.8 cents, while the expected high price is 70.3 cents. The coin is expected to easily reach the $2 to $4 mark by 2030. It cannot be overstated that Dogecoin offers the benefits of a fixed higher inflation currency, making it a catch-all phrase for the world's actual fiat currency. Because the currencies are regularly traded and consumed, these features encourage Dogecoin users to not overstock the assets and instead focus on liquidity. As the market becomes more competitive, more people are becoming aware of their investments. What will the price of Dogecoin be, though? Most investors would squirm at this question. That's because it's difficult to make a reliable prediction for the future price of a meme cryptocurrency like Dogecoin. However, this doesn't preclude us from examining the evidence and drawing some conclusions. Before we go any further, it's critical that you understand the primary drivers of Dogecoin's value. The first driver is Dogecoin's intrinsic value as a unit of exchange, which it does have. This is because its block time of 1 minute is significantly less than that of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it even processes transactions faster than Litecoin. This is quite impressive for a meme cryptocurrency that was previously used to tip content creators. Then we get to the second major driver of Dogecoin's value, market sentiment. It's no secret that Tesla CEO Elon Musk is a big fan of Doge. His influence shouldn't be underestimated, and every time he tweets about Dogecoin, a new price barrier is broken. Furthermore, the general mood in the crypto camp is extremely upbeat. Dogecoin has seen massive trading volumes in recent days, as well as widespread coverage in the mainstream media. This is one of the reasons why eToro, one of Europe's largest brokers, began supporting the coin. Now that we've covered the main reasons for Doge's price movement, let's take a look at some Dogecoin price targets. Back in May, when Elon Musk talked about appearing on SNL, many of his supporters were expecting his appearance to push the price of the coin to $1. But this never happened. However, some fresh predictions from crypto experts have revealed that the popular meme coin will hit the $1 mark very soon. Doge's short-term momentum is clear, so if you want to invest in Dogecoin, now could be a good time. This would be the altcoin's next significant milestone. If Dogecoin manages to break through the $1, it'll have gained significant traction, and reaching $2 will become a distinct possibility. $1 would be such a watershed moment for Dogecoin that sentiment would likely turn ferociously bullish. If Dogecoin reaches $2, investors who invest now will nearly quadruple their money, making this a hard value proposition to ignore. If Dogecoin is to reach $10, it must demonstrate something it hasn't done yet: consistency. While sharp price increases provide good trading opportunities for microcap altcoins, they are unlikely to result in long-term accretive growth. Dogecoin would need to attract long-term investors and sustainably build value over a longer period to amass a market cap that would make it one of the world's most valuable cryptos. The project's comedic origins may have cast doubt on this, but its recent popularity is no laughing matter. If Dogecoin reaches $100, its uncapped supply of currently 130 billion coins would make it the most valuable cryptocurrency by market capitalization. It would be a watershed moment for cryptocurrency, though some are skeptical whether a joke currency reigning supreme is a good thing for the industry. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood car sale.